Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here. Hey, when we come back, I got this DL-FPV. This is a DL-1080. This is a little mini FPV racer whoop style, so stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys, Donnie here, and thanks for tuning in to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today it's pretty cool. This was courtesy of DLFPV. They sent me this DL-1080, and this thing is a pretty cool little mini FPV racer, whoop style. I'm so excited because I have reviewed once before for this company. I reviewed the DL-1060, which was a pretty good little quadcopter. I had fun with it, so I'm excited to test this out. So this is going to be part one of two series. This is the unboxing series. Due to the weather, it's hailing outside, so you may hear that in the background. So I will not be able to fly today, and my apartment right now is pretty full of stuff because we had to do a temporary move while they're remodeling our other apartment. So once I get back in there, I can do more indoor flying. But for now, I'm going to have to postpone the flight. We'll do the unboxing. With this thing, it's actually pretty cool. So they did upgrade this, so you get a little bit better range, better camera. And also what's cool about this FPV racer is that, got my little clip notes here. It actually has, on stage one is, of course, angle mode. And then you press another button, you can get horizon mode, which I'm impressed because it does come with its own controller. That's what I like about this. This is perfect for beginners because you get the controller with it, and it has the buttons already programmed in there. And of course, the third, which is the high speed. So what you're doing is you're switching rates. In low rate, you're going to be in angle mode. When you hit medium speed, then it's going to put you in horizon mode. Okay, and then when you hit the third rate, for the high speed, it's going to put you in acro mode. So that's going to be pretty cool, guys. I can't wait to test that out. All right, let me go and get this down on a counter, and we're going to jump into it and take a look at this thing. So stay tuned. Hey guys, all right, I got this box open. The reason why I wanted to show you this box is how nicely this is packed in. So I'm really happy how DLFPV packaged this. So you have like the monitor in here. You got the instruction manual, and then you got the controller and all the accessories. So you do have a charger. I do have a spare battery. I noticed on the link it does only say one battery, so I don't know if they sent me two for the review, but I have two of these batteries, and these batteries are 3.7 volt 350 milliamp. You do have four spare propellers for this, the tri-propellers, so which makes it pretty nice. And I'll go through some more of the details on that in just a minute. I did want to kind of go over some things. This one right here, the dimensions are 100 by 105 by 50 millimeter. That's 3.9, 4.1 by 1.9 inch. Okay. This one right here, it says diagonal motor distance. It says it's 78 millimeter. Flight control is SP Racing F3 Evo. Camera resolutions is 700 TVL. Camera FOV is 148 degrees horizontal and 178 degrees diagonal perspective, it says. So this is 40 channel, and the transmission is 25 milliwatts, and the range is about 150 to 200 meters. The monitor itself right here is 4.3 inch. It's only 480 by 272 resolution LCD screen. So it does have 40 channel, 5.8 gigahertz. So you do have 40 channels with this. Another thing here for the remote controller is 2.4 gigahertz, 8 channel, and then the motors are 15,300 kV, 720 brushed motors. They're 20 millimeter 3-blade propellers. And I told you guys about the battery, which is 3.7 volt, 350 milliamp. It's a 1S LiPo. The weight on this for the quadcopter, which is a very nice quadcopter, I like this thing. The weight with the battery is 42 grams, and without the battery is only 32 grams. So flight time's about 5 minutes, and you got a control range. Distance is about 50 meters to 100 meters. Okay guys, so I just wanted to kind of give you the little description on everything, so you guys know what the diagrams and stuff are. Like I said, I'm still pretty much a rookie on these little whoops. I do like that the motors, they do disconnect out of here, so that makes it really nice when you go to change them out. So if you burn a motor and stuff, so they really did upgrade this from the 1060 that I reviewed a while back. So this has come a long ways, which I really like it. The good thing about this too is it has angle mode, horizon, and acro mode. So what you're doing is you're going in rate 1, 2, and 3, which is low speed, middle speed, and high speed. Which high speed will give you your acro, middle speed will give you your horizon, and angle will be on load speed. So that makes it pretty nice, guys. Let's see if we got any more details here. It says that it's configured by Betaflight, so that's another deal here. Let's see, just kind of going through some of the stuff it has here, and you guys will be able to find this in the descriptions when I put the link in for this, so that way you guys can go and look at the configurations a lot better. It says flight controller is F3 Evo, and then it says let's see, receivers. So it has connector pins for both PPM and SBIS and DSM micro receivers. The supplied micro receiver is directly soldered to the main board and can be swapped out with other micro receivers if you need to use your own radio. Let's see what else we have here. I told you about the angle mode and horizon and acro, and so basically that's about all I see here that they have. So alright guys, well, I just wanted to kind of go over that. It's kind of a boring unboxing. Right now it's raining, so I can't take this for a flight, and so here's some of the perspectives right here, and you guys could freeze frame this to be able to see some more of what the details are on the little manual. Tells you the channels, tells you about the flight board and the controller. There's the configurations here. Get it into the view, that way you guys can go and maybe pause this and be able to look at that, all these details here. Okay guys, anyways, pretty nice. I can't wait to take this thing for a flight as soon as it stops raining and hailing outside. Even though I'm in beautiful California, we do get rain and hail here, so I want to go ahead and show you guys the monitor. So we got the monitor. I've used this before. It came with the 1060. The DL-1080 had this monitor, which is a really nice monitor. Alright, and then we got the clip for the controller. And the controller itself, which is pretty tight in there. I hate pulling it up by the toggle, but that just slides in there, and then in here there's a little piece. It's got the little screw right there that will go and screw in right there. So also you have the antenna for the monitor, which is pretty simple, just screws on right there, and away you go. Just tilt it up, and then you could go and put your monitor right on the controller itself. So there you go. You'd be able to put the monitor on there, get the box out of the way. You can see right here, everything feels pretty good. If you're a pincher, you know, it feels pretty nice. You still be able to work the buttons, so it feels pretty good. We'll get into more detail with this controller as soon as we go for a flight, once it gets nicer out, guys. So anyways, that's basically it. I just kind of wanted to go through this real quick. Like I said, you got the charger. I got an extra battery that could be due to doing the review, which I do thank you, DLFPV, for doing that. That is awesome. But anyways, that's that. Here's all the parts that come with this. So you do have 4 extra propellers, which makes it nice, because the first edition of the 1060 didn't come with anything extra like that, so it was hard to find you know, the parts, but they have improved it. They did change the 1060. They don't have the clear one anymore like I reviewed. They have the red and dark blue one, I believe, but I went and upgraded that link in that video I have, so I'll leave a link to that video in this descriptions as well. So alright guys, look for this. Look for the flight, so make sure you hit that notifications. I'll have that flight as soon as the weather gets better, guys, and we'll see how this thing does. Just line of sight and through the FPV screen and my goggles. So stay tuned for that, guys. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.